How do I hide extra file in 100% lines from Robocopy output? I have a Robocopy script to back up our Kiln repositories that runs nightly, which looks something like this. In the output, there are a ton of lines that contain extra file s, like this. Additionally, there are then hundreds of lines at the bottom that contain nothing but 100% s, like this. In addition to making the log files enormous, there are a lot of folders/files in Kiln repos. It makes it annoying to scan through the logs now and then to see if everything was working okay. How do I stop extra files appearing in the log? Edit. The whole rows, not just the text as /nc will stop. How do I stop these silly 100% lines appearing in the log? I've tried every combination of switch I can think of. The current switches are listed above in the command, but neither seem to hide these.
Just noticed you are missing a /nc there. /nc, no class, don't log file classes. Class files are. What does Robocopy mean by tweaked, lonely and extra? So I try, Robocopy $liver publication $plunder publication /mir /mount /w:3/r:100 /np /log $backup location /backup kiln.txt /nc. Edit 1. My bad. Didn't see you had already mentioned trying /nc. I've tested here. It seems that the /mir option ignores the logging options. Also /mount messes it up, adding the 100%. The only way I got working was d:\Robocopy source destination /mir /w:3/r:100 /ns /nc /nfl /ndl /np /log.txt. It actually works with /mir. But you have to specify /nfl and /ndl? Don't know if that's acceptable for you. If you try /mount, it will still show the silly 100%. Edit 2. I know the question was about Robocopy, but I think you should give richcopy a try. This URL. Here's the command line. richcopy d:\Robocopy /source d:\Robocopy destination /p/qo/qp d:\Robocopy report.log ue/us/ood/up/uf usc/upr/uet. It starts richcopy's GUI and closes when done. And here's the log.
The /20 option excludes the extra files from being listed. Perversely, this option is listed in file selection options, not logging. It is the opposite of the /x logging option, I guess.
I think this may work. So just pipe the output defined with the /v for excluding lines which contain the specified text extra file.
How about using the switches? So you have the $% is required to have a % in the search string. The 2 greater than and amp, 1 redirects the stare string to stout because some messages are written to stare and we want to capture those lines like the /log switch does. The 2 findstr commands with the /v switch finds all lines that do not contain the search string. The greater than log file name redirects the final output to your log file. If you would normally use /log:+ then use log file name instead. Notes: if you are using this in a PowerShell script, like you seem to be, you need to use findstr instead of find like you can in a bat or cmd file. Note the /l and /c are not supported by find, but for the find command they are not required.
Teachable Channel.